guys, so my sister is going to get feathers.
There's black feathers.
Here, take my phone over there.
Our dogs were barking and we came over here and seen. What colors do you want me to grab? There's only two colors.
Just like
One
show
of
them.
each?
Just show them.
Wait. Can you guess what type of bird that is? There are two kinds. Here. You want me to grab one?
Yeah, please.
Say hi, Bubby.
Hi! And yes, he is wearing pants. See? Jackson, show them your pants. He's wearing pants.
Oh,
No, don't touch.
Tickle.
Bubby, these aren't the kind you tickle with.
Those are
Throw them over the fence.
He's gonna get tickle.
Anyone can tell what type of bird that is? There's that one and a white one.
Let me see.
So
really
we're
smooth.
just playing.
That one
Again.
over the white one that Jackson has is a
Pigeon?
pigeon feather.
Okay, guys, leave down in the comments.
The one that I have, I actually don't know.
Have you ever had a crush on someone and they don't like you? And you know them since
A
preschool.
fifth grader asked me out. Comment down below if I should date him.
Okay, you tell him. Tell him their name, his name, because he has YouTube.
Nishad. Poker Dex Smith. Poker Dexter.
He asked her out, and he's in 5th grade. She's in 3rd.
Should I date him?
Should she date him? Leave the comments down.
Also, comment down below what this is. What feather
What
this
type
is,
of
if
bird
you
is
know.
this?
I know the white one is a pigeon feather. Because we have a ton of pigeons around here. Also,
And we're in Missouri.
if you go to Northwest School here in Missouri, you'll be able to see me. And make sure you be friends with me if you go to that school. I got it, please!
Oh God! Can I borrow the? Can I borrow that one? No, give me that one. What? Give me that white one.
She's just looking at it real quick.
And then that one. What
A
type
pigeon.
of bird is that?
Pigeon.
That's not a pigeon.
Oh, wait, I can use this and dip the ink into it and go, I'm an illustrator. I'm an author and an illustrator. Also, I'm coming out with a book.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I'm writing a tiger's book, but it's not like a real book. Just that it's
Izzy, throw it back over. That was awesome. Izzy, don't. Just give it back.
No! Okay, you want that over?
No, he's keeping it. Here, vlog for them. I gotta go.
Hello. They be seeing me run! My sister's going to the bathroom. She says she got to go poop. I gotta go number 2. Yeah, number two. Pause the video because Jackson's going.
Okay, guys. So, we did a science experiment / thing, and that is water and sunscreen after we dumped it out. So I am showing you
Over here. Perfect.
cool things.
Can grow over here. Because there's sun over there. Just wanna.
Look at all that smoke.
That's the big science button.
Here, can you put some in there?
Wow, the
Like a lot?
biggest science button in the world. Mom, the... Oh, God. You want water? Can we do Let's do it that way.
Can I borrow that, please?
But I'm gonna let this shit on fire. If you're bigger than 5 meters, you'll take the house. I don't want it anymore.
I'll burn it. Run! Can I have a drink? Can I have a drink?
Yeah, sure, it hurts. Here, how about I do it? I want to go in the pocket. What? I'm not carving it. No. Not too much water.
Buddy. Okay, go tell them to check out your channel.
Check out my channel. Am I bleeding right here?
His
His channel is Ghostbusters Jackson. Make sure he doesn't put water in this, okay? Or that. Make sure he doesn't put anything in that unless it's dirt.
Hey, Sam, can I watch you? It's raining, rain. Today is the National Clown Purge Day.
No, it's not.
We're gonna die.
Just tell them what tomorrow is.
Tomorrow's Halloween.
And she might upload this on Halloween.
Today is the Clown Purge.
And
It's all over Facebook.
also maybe.
So we're in Marshall, Missouri. So
Can you show them my face real quick? I'm gonna be doing a YouTube video of us trick or treating. Well, of me trick or treating. I don't know.
I'll
I'm gonna have it on like a thing. I might look creepy, but that's the only way you guys can see me. We're gonna trick or treat in the morning and then night. Yeah, because we start around 6. Ew.
Okay, so I'm gonna have this is gonna be a part vlog, and see, I'm gonna cut it off around 15 to 16 minutes, and then I'm gonna have another one about a Q&A, and my sister is gonna ask me the questions.
You're supposed to have your people ask you questions so you can answer them for them.
Yeah, but that's not gonna work.
I know everything about you.
Yeah, but they don't. So you'll have to ask me my exes, stuff like that.
No one needs to know your stupid ex. Get out. Stupid ex.
Now, if my crush is watching this, I really love you.
And what? Izzy.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna have a meaningful talk
Daddy, have you seen my pumpkin?
with you guys in the second one, which ain't gonna be.
Hey.
Okay, so the second one, instead of a Q&A, it's gonna be me talking a lot. It's like I'm going to
Go my pumpkin.
You like my tattoos?
You got a pumpkin seed?
Tattoos. Shapes. Bob. Course. Toss. But my part 2 is going to be me talking to you.
Got one.
Yeah.
Star Wars. I got one. Oh God. Justin actually found a pumpkin.
But it's
He
just
wants
a
me to grow it.
beautiful day
Where is it?
to go outside. So
We need to make a
we
smaller
came out
patch.
here.
You want it to be over here?
Yeah.
No. Well, we need to wait for more Dad's boat.
Back there, behind these trees, there's a neighbor. And they have roosters, turkeys, and everything. So every morning we hear cock-a-doodle-doo! Hear the chickens?
I think.
Cock-a-doodle-doo! Shush.
Are you pumpkin?
But yeah, we hear chickens and everything. A lot. But yeah.
How about we go plant this over where you're digging?
Dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum. Okay, guys, so I am going to talk to you for the next few minutes and, tell you stuff. So when I was in preschool, there was this boy that I really liked, but my best friend dated him till first grade. And then they broke up, and I didn't get to see him until now, which I'm in 5th grade. So now I get to see him, but it's rare for us to talk. And I still like him. He's still cute, still handsome, still daydreaming about him. But he don't like me. Still.
I got red fire ants on my hand.
Here.
No, I got red fire ants on my hand. I'm peeing on my hand to make it go away.
But yeah, seriously. I like him, but he don't like me. So leave a comment down below if this has ever happened to you. But he don't like me anymore. He never did like me. So I will be right back. Okay guys, so I'm going to end this video here. I know we didn't do very much today, which I will have another vlog coming right after this one on the same day. So